In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your campaign objects by adding a related list in Salesforce, specifically the campaign member statuses list. Customizing page layouts is a great way to tailor your Salesforce environment to better suit your business needs and give your team essential insights all in one place. So let's dive in and walk through the entire process together. We'll begin by heading over to Setup, the control center for all your Salesforce customization needs. Think of Setup as your toolbox. Everything you need to adjust your system's appearance and functionality is found here. Once you're in Setup, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the Quick Find box, where you can easily type in and search for specific settings. We're going to search for Object Manager, which is where you'll manage all the objects from accounts to opportunities and, of course, campaigns. Once inside Object Manager, the next step is to find your campaign object. This is where all campaign-related customizations happen. So in the search bar right in Object Manager, type Campaign and select it from the list that appears. By selecting the campaign object, you'll open up a series of options that let you customize this particular object. From here, we'll look into editing the page layout. This is essentially the blueprint of your campaign records. What fields, buttons, and related lists appear when you open a campaign record. Under the campaign object details, locate page layouts and click on it. You'll see a list of available layouts. Choose the one you wish to edit, most likely the default layout your team uses, and click Edit next to it. Now we're in the page layout editor, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see a palette at the top of the editor with several tabs, each containing different elements you can add to your page layout. We're particularly interested in the Related Lists tab. Click on Related Lists to open it, and a range of options will appear. Look for campaign member statuses. Found it? Great! Now drag and drop this related list to the bottom section of your page layout. It's much like organizing widgets on a desktop. Simply position it where you'd like it to appear on the campaign record page. Having done that, your next move is to save your work. This is an important step because we want to ensure all the changes we've made are applied and updated in Salesforce. Simply click the Save button. Once you do this, the system will update your layout configuration, making the campaign member statuses list accessible directly from the campaign record page. And that's it! Now you have successfully added the campaign member statuses related list to your campaign object. Check it out on a campaign record to ensure it appears as expected. This customization empowers you and your team to gain quicker insights into member interactions and statuses directly from campaign records, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.